Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can find our old stories on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, if we want to find our old stories on Instagram, we can go to our Instagram profile, click on this profile button, and we're going to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Okay, and after that, we just need to click on archive, and these are my stories archive, or this all the stories that I have posted on my Instagram. And that's so easy, right, to find our old stories. And I guess that's how we can find our old stories on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.